Afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Kafina Ajibola and I am your host this afternoon. I have an important and wonderful guest this afternoon on the show, all the way from the United Kingdom, visiting Nigeria. Her name is Auntie Jo Choji. My wonderful sweet auntie. She loves to cook. She enjoys to cook like myself. So permit me to allow her to go ahead and introduce to you what she plans to cook and teach us today.
Good afternoon, everyone. I'm just going to cook what I call a very healthy diet, and it's called Bulgur rice, and I've got all my ingredients all cut up and all ready. First of all, I'm going to parboil the Bulgur rice, and then I'll show you how to mix the vegetables, and then you will see how it will come out. Very healthy and very good for diabetes, hypertension. You can name all the medical conditions. This is a very, very healthy meal. So I'm going to parboil my Bulgur rice. I've got my pot boiling. You just put some in some boiling water. We're not making all of it today. Now let it boil. Thank you. And then I've got some healthy oil just to stir fry my vegetables. Don't put too much. Yeah, this is fine. Love my onions, so we're going to put some onions. Some more onions. A little bit of hot pepper. If you like more, you can add more. And there's a special vegetable seasoning. This is something I love. So tasty, no salt. Chicken seasoning. Then I've got some garlic and ginger. My onions and pepper, just frying. Yeah, that's fine. And you just stir it just to check. Still a little bit not there yet. More seasoning. Okay. I think I'm going to put this off now. This is fine. Then this one. Let's put it on. Okay. I'm going to sieve this now. Where's my sieve? You can now put all the vegetables. Let them stir fry. Okay. Some mixed herbs. Just keep stirring. Just draining the bulgur rice, and then you mix this into your veg. And you mix it until it's all mixed up with your veg, and then it will be ready. Wow, this looks nice. Maybe a little bit of veg would have been a good idea. But you can put as much vegetables as you want. And I've got my green peppers here. They will be the last because you want them crunchy. And you mix it. I'm sure you can see how healthy this is. Ready. Actually, I must say, the bulgur rice comes in a brown bulgur rice, which is even better. It's made out of wheat, so you can see that it's a healthy meal. Good for weight loss, as I said, diabetics, hypertensive, blood pressure, name it. And you keep stirring until it's well mixed and you're ready to eat. Let's see if the salt is maybe a little bit. How about do this, because this is veg. Right. Have I got people in the house to taste my bulgur rice?
Yes,
I'm
we
going
are
to
here.
serve my host, and she will tell me what she thinks.
Wow. This looks really inviting.
Yeah. Good. So this is all done, ready to be served. And I'm going to serve Mrs. Ajibola, Kafina.
Thank you, Auntie.
Have a taste.
Yes.
How does it taste?
It tastes like rice.
Yes, this is an alternative for rice. Rice is not as healthy as bulgur rice. Rice is not made of wheat. Bulgur rice is made of wheat. So,
And it's soft.
yeah, you need to make sure you serve Oga this kind of healthy food.
It's tasty. I love the pepper,
Good.
the onions. Yeah, like you rightly said, more vegetable, like the carrots.
Yeah.
Thank you,
Enjoy.
Auntie.
Enjoy.
Please, Auntie, before you go back, we need more dishes, so you need to teach me. Now I've learned this. Actually, my chef taught me how to use the bulgur rice, which is the brown one.
Yeah.
The soft one for salad.
Yes, you can.
This is the
use
first
this.
time I'm seeing this type and also learning how to make it.
Good.
Looks like our couscous,
Yeah.
but this is really nice. So you've heard it from my darling auntie. It is healthier than rice.
Yeah.
You can buy it, you can get it at any superstore. Try it and let me know what you think. Thank you, auntie.
Thank you so
Bye
much.
everyone. I hope you enjoyed the show and I hope you enjoyed our wonderful host today. Our chef all the way from the United Kingdom. Thank you.
Thank you, everyone.